I needed to change this left shocks also, include this control arm. This is another control arm, we replaced the old one that was there. So now I'm going to put in the new shocks in this side after we do the other side. This section of the front suspension is totally assembled. Only the stabilizer board in here be attached to the shocks, but I'm going to leave that off for now until I finish assembling the other side. So before I put in this shocks and the control arm and the parts here, I'm going to get this section here sorted out. So we need to fix this area, a little bit of fiberglass work. Once I get this section complete, then we can continue with installing the rest of the parts here. Because this clearance just give you a nice space to work in here without too much stuff in your way. Got to wet it. this is the shocks assembled. This is the old shocks, and you can see how it bending are bad. So we have to get rid of that one. The new shocks are now ready. So now I'm going to install it back into the car. Okay, so the shocks is up. Now I'm going to finish with the control arm, and after that we'll finish with this side of the suspension and continue over the other side. Here I'm just tightening up the caliper, but I want to just tighten it with my hand. I don't want to take the chance, and next thing the air gun break the nuts and the bolt. So something like this, I just do it with the hand, just to be on the safe side. I want to make sure the cable the wire is inside the strap in the cap so it don't shake and break. Finally, the suspension is all put back together and actually reface the rotors so you know they're nice and smooth. And also the stabilizer bar link, remember that one was broken, so we changed that out with new shocks, new tie rod in and out, and new control arm, new subframe. So that's an overview of the work in the suspension, and you can remember how this section of the vehicle was in total ruin, include the bodywork on the wheel arch. So that's the left side of the front of the vehicle. And that's the right side, and the similar work done over this side with the new shocks and arms, and reface the rotors. Pads still have a little life in them, maybe like 50%, so didn't really an absolute necessity to put in new pads. And that's the under the bottom with the subframe. Get a better view of what it is, the new subframe install. So now at this stage of the repair, we're going to move to finishing up the body. Under this section is already finished, so now we're going to start to install the fenders, bonnet, bumper, light, start line up, all of that. So thanks for watching this video. In the next video we will see bodywork